Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another of Sandy Decorate Your Life digital printable papers that she has, you guys. Oh my goodness. So this is the end of July. I do apologize. I thought I had this video up and just came to the realization that I didn't even record it. And OMG, so I was like, OMG. So I am coming along really quick today to show you guys this cute printable, sorry, tongue-tied, Winter Friends paper. So you guys, this is the cutest. You guys, you have the gnomes, you have the little elk, you have, the gnome right here skiing, you have one that has a lantern with, with the little, what is it called, a sled, and then this is what they look like. And isn't that the cutest? Oh my goodness. So like I said, I thought I had done this video and just came to the realization I had not done it. Cute paper for anybody that likes gnomes. Cute. You guys, look at that. Oh my goodness. So isn't that cute? There's a lamb. I want to say the sheep. I can't say the word, sorry. And there's the gnomes with the gifts, one with legs, one without legs. There's the little birdies with the snowman. He's carrying his little birdhouse, and he's carrying a pail with the bird. He might be feeding the little bird right there, huh? Never thought of that. There you go. And you have like might be a owl. Looks like an owl, intelligent owl. So cute. And then you have this one right here. I just showed you guys. And then you have this one. So nice. So amazing. And look at that one. So this one is a snowman with the rainbow, two different type of rainbows with a hot chocolate right there. And of course he is also carrying a lantern. How cute is that? And then you have those Christmas trees, different shape with the poinsettias right there. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so cute. So anyways, you guys, so end of July, you guys. So if you guys don't want to get that special on that price, awesome, amazing, you guys, let me show you what I end up creating, because I was in a hurry trying to create for this, thinking that I had done the video. So basically what I did, I just made cards, and of course here's a gnome that is skiing, and I just put definitely naughty because he seems like a naughty little elf or gnome, I'm sorry. Here is the moose. Okay, and then the paper in the back, I don't know if you guys could see that. I did on some of it, I did the, what is it called, the distress on it, and it's the smaller paper pad. It's this one right here. Let me see. Actually, it's this one right here. I made them into bigger, smaller. So you guys know with printables, you could reprint as many times as you would like. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. It's just up to you how you want to do it. And this one is just basic, Hello Christmas, simple. And this one says Merry Christmas. So there you go. And then I also made this one, and of course this one is the gnome that's pulling the sled, and welcome winter. And as you guys could see, these are the smaller ones back here. So I just made cards, and then I thought this was so cute, so I made them into a little tag, and then just fuzzy cut around the little I want to say he's a little birdie with the owl, and just put the little snowflake right there, and just put magical. And basically that's it, you guys. So if you guys are interested, of course Sandy is being so generous enough to do a digital giveaway. Of course, it's not a material item. I will link the affiliate link down on the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing this. You guys can always go and use my affiliate link, and basically I earn a small commission. It's at no additional cost to you, but it helps me with my craft supplies, giveaways if I do giveaways. And I will also be gifting these cards away. So if you guys are interested in the cards, just go ahead and somewhere in there put cards. If you guys are interested in digital, also you can also put digital. And you guys, I will be having the drawing within a few days, because of course it's already the end of July, and of course this was Christmas in July, and hopefully I can bring another creation out here and show you guys if I created anything else. Anyways, thank you again everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to visit all the other crafters that are on Sandy's Decorate Your Life design team, and of course her store. I will link her and her stores down on the description below. Again, thank you. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.